Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Drupal authentication modules for custom forms. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the specific requirements for your custom form in Drupal. Navigate to your Drupal admin dashboard. Go to the Extend section to review available authentication modules. Search for the modules relevant to authentication. Common choices include the Simple OAuth and Basic Auth modules. Download and install the selected authentication module. Once installed, go to the Configuration section for the module settings. Configure the chosen authentication method according to your needs. Set up user permissions to control access to your custom form. Next, create your custom form using the Drupal Form API. Define the form structure in fields in your module. Utilize the appropriate hooks to render the form on the desired page. Add validation handlers to ensure that input meets specific criteria. Incorporate the authentication logic into your form submission handler. Fetch the user credentials from the request context. Validate these credentials against the configured authentication module. If valid, proceed with the form submission process. If invalid, return an error message to the user. Test your custom form to ensure the authentication process works as expected. Debug any issues using the watchdog logs for detailed error messages. Make necessary adjustments to the form and authentication logic. Ensure that your custom form complies with security best practices. Finally, document the process for future reference and maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.